What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Yesterday, on recess activity, recess peer band posted on Instagram her productive day together with her favorite pet, Hapa. On Instagram post, recess peer band posted on Instagram a short video clip of them that shows that they're playing. As you can see, Hapa is a sweet pet like his owner. Versus Spear Band trains Hapa as well. Yesterday, on a Dex activity, Nadek Ugimiya got his photo shoot from Botapi. On Instagram post, one of the staff posted on Instagram a short video clip of him that shows they were starting working and ready for another set of the advertisement. As a result, Nadek Ugimiya look so handsome with his final looks. It was just like it was a full package when it comes to him. So you can see the Botapi gives a warm welcoming to Nadek completely.